Hello everybody! Hello to everyone who's watching right now. Hello! Hi sa inyo! Kaya ako nag-live kasi wala lang, gusto ko lang kayo makausap. Nasa ano po ako ngayon? Nasa car po ako ngayon. I'm actually on the road. I'm on the way to Araneta Center dahil ako po ay napaunlakan ng Wish Bus. So I will be there. I will be promoting my latest song. So if you guys are around the area, you can come join me there and yeah, let's have some fun. Mag-journal ka po ba? Actually, yes. Oo, I just started journaling recently lang na ang nag-influence sa akin actually yung sister ko. So, yeah, medyo it really helps. It really helps a lot. And ano, masaya siyang gawin. Masaya. Masaya siyang gawin. And before anything else, it's Jamantes anniversary. So, happy anniversary sa aking mga minamahal na Jamantes. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Sorry, pasensya na medyo madilim kasi gabi na po. I'm just using the car light lang. Kaya medyo yellow ako ngayon. Ayan. Shoutout sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon. And gusto ko lang din sabihin guys, grabe nakakatuwa kayo. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta. Actually, sobrang unexpected din. Nagulat ako kasi ang daming nagre-resurface ng mga songs ko, even the old ones. So I truly really appreciate you guys and sobrang nakakataba ng puso that it feels really good to be heard and to be listened to sa kahit anong parte ng buhay. Nandyan palagi ang music ko para sa inyo. So, I just wanna say, wow, thank you. Oh, may nag-gift sa akin. Thank you for the gifts. Kahit na hindi ko masyadong alam to gamitin yung mga gifts na ito, but I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Sa lahat ng mga yearner dyan. Yearner! What yung yearner? Kasi umuulan din eh. And masarap mag-senti, no? Yes, of course. Reliving my songs. Talagang, madaming mga memories tsaka nostalgic. Kaya din, gusto ko din na kinakanta yung mga songs ko recently. That's why I'm doing it because it brings me so much memories. And madalas ko kasi hindi nakakanta yung mga kanta ko eh. And realize ko na marami pala ako makakanta talaga. Kaya talagang I really make time to revisit my playlist, my old songs. Happy anniversary, Jamantes. Maraming salamat sa inyo. I love you guys. You remind me of my ate na nasa heaven na super idol kanya. Love your song. Thank you so much, Ashelly. I'm sure that your sister, your ate, is very proud of you and she's watching over you and your family. Wow. Thank you guys. Huwag ka muna daw mag-concert. Marami pa kayong time mag-ipon kasi next year pa ako magkakaroon ng concert. We're actually we're fixing it na. Pinagmimitingan pa po namin, inaayos po namin for my 20th anniversary. It's gonna be in a bigger venue. So I'm really looking forward. I'm so excited and nakaka-excite because pinaplano namin to ang concept is really, it's about my 20 years in the industry. and everything that's been part of it. Even sa mga songs, the people who I worked with, my journey. So, it's gonna be an exciting one. Sana po ay makapunta po kayo if may time kayo. I promise you, it's worth the wait. And nandito na po ako malapit na po ako sa sa Araneta Center. I'm actually around the area. I'm just looking for the venue, for the bus. So, I'm gonna be bouncing in a bit. Wala lang, gusto ko lang mag-hi sa inyo guys kasi feeling ko I also owe it to you. I have been chronically online. So, yeah, I appreciate you guys. I'm just gonna give a shout out to a few more people. Try mo po katayin yung theme song ng Descendants of the Sun. Oh, yes! Wow! Thank you for the gift! Thank you! Sana po i-guest nyo ang Isagel sa concert nyo. I mean, why not, diba? They've been my closest friends. So, nakakatawa yung dalawang yun kasi talagang sobrang supportive nila along the way. And, you know, nakakatawa kasi sobrang bait, sobrang totoong tao. And, sobrang nakakilig. Nakakilig. Whereas Ate Joanna po, oh, she's here. She's here with me. She's my driver for today. She's my driver for today. So I just posted a video of me singing one of my songs. Bakit ngayon? Oh, here we are. Here we are. But I think I have to hide now because my light is on and wala ka bang flashlight dyan? Ang dilim ko pala. Andito na ako. Hold on, wait lang. Wait, I'm gonna have to call the slash. Wait, hold on guys, hold on. Okay. Is there signal? May signal ba? May signal ba ako? I think there is signal, but very weak signal. We can actually park there. Let's just wait for the call so we can settle. Yeah, guys, watch kayo ng The Clash and of course All Out Sundays. The Voice Kids is coming out very soon. I have new co-coaches. It's Coach Ying, and she's gonna have a concert. Let's all support her. Manonood ako. And also Coach Glock. Grabe, my ultimate lodi. The Rapperists. Isa siya sa mga influences ko kung bakit ako natuto mag-rap. Si Coach Glock. Okay. I'm a fan of Ate Joanna po. Hi daw ka daw. Hi ka sa mga fans mo. Hi ka sa mga fans mo, Jo. Oh, what else? Yes, nandito na po ako ngayon kasalukuyan po ako nandito ngayon sa likod ng Wish Bus. Naghihintay lang po ako ng tawag if aakit na po ako sa Wish Bus. But I'm very excited. If you guys are around the area, please come join me. I will be singing my latest song. Sa lahat ng mga ng mga yearner. At sa lahat ng mga in love. Para sa inyo tong song na to. I actually wrote that song when I was sick. I got really sick, super sick, as in bedridden. And then nung nagpapagaling ako, sabi ko sulat kaya ako ng kanta. then kasunod naman ng kanta. I guess it's just one of those moments na hindi mo din ine-expect na pag may mga creative juices ka or pag may naiisip ka, kailangan talaga sinusulat mo siya para hindi mo siya nakakalimutan. And yon. Watching from Brisbane, Australia. Wow! Hi, Rapunzel. Rapunzel? Like the Princess Rapunzel? Princess Rapunzel? Hi guys, ang daming nanonood from all over the world, from all over the Philippines, from New Zealand. Christian, hello. Hello sa'yo. Deeper, it's also one of my favorite songs since nasinulat ko din. Nasaan si Mahal? Oh, si Ray ay nasa puso ko. Of course, always and forever. Ang dami, oh thank you guys. Hala, ang daming gifts. Nakakatuwa kayo. Yes, kami yun nasa tapat ng SB. Tagtag sa akin sila sila ate. Yeah, they're here. I really love your song, Simula. Wow, thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Pasensya na kayo madilim kasi, gabi na. Anong kape mo? Since nagbabawas po ako ng ng sugar ngayon, I always get a latte sub to oat milk. Medyo hindi na rin po ako kasi sanay mag whole milk ngayon or maggatas. And as much as possible, yun talaga yung ininom ko drink since bumalik ako ngayon sa pag-workout and sa gym. So, ako ngayon, nagma-muscle strengthening and muscle building para pagtanda natin, malakas pa rin tayo. It's either a latte or a cold brew or Americano. Kailan concert? Next year! So marami pa tayong time mag-prepare, marami pa tayong time mag-ipon. Where to buy your old albums? Alam mo, yan din hinahanap ko eh. Wala na akong mabilhan ng mga old albums like the physical ones. Oh, I miss having physical albums. Recently, may nakita ko sa cabinet ko, like hindi pa siya nabubuksan na first ever album ko. As in, hindi pa siya nabubuksan, may plastic pa siya. So, I don't know if I should give it away or just keep it kasi yun na lang yung natitira kong copy. And thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyo guys, sa lahat ng mga sa lahat ng mga nandito pa rin for me. I truly appreciate you. Grabe. And since rainy season ngayon, nagpapasalamat din ako sa inyo kasi sinestream yung mga songs ko na nagre-resurface. Nakakatawa sobra. And it's also my way of saying that I'm still here, that I'm still, I'm still, my music is still here anytime, anywhere, anyhow you want it. Hi from Canada. Hi guys. Hello from Zambales. May set po kayo? Marami po kong set. Sabay set. Set like the couch. Charing, joke lang. Idol kita since Popstar Kids. Oh, thank you. Julie Elmo fan here. Wow, thank you so much guys. Thank you. Ay, sorry. Kuya? Teka lang po Kuya, saan po yung wish bus?
Tayo po, ma'am.
Yes. Dito po?
Lang po tayo.
Dito na lang po, kuya.
Doon kasi yung natin.
Okay. Sige. Pupunta na po kami. Thank you, kuya. Pa-assist na lang po. Maraming salamat po. Alright. Ayan na. Sige, I will just close my lights so people don't see me. Lang ah. Diyan lang kayo. Just settle down. Wow, so cool! Sorry guys! Wait lang ha, wait lang sa ilaw. Sensya na.
Paatras na lang.
Thanks kuya! So again guys, nandito po ako sa sa likod ng Wish Bus. Kung meron po kayong time to visit me here dito sa Wish Bus, dito po ako ngayon sa Araneta Center. I think you're okay here. Are you okay here? Watching from Dubai, hello sa inyo. I hope that you guys are doing great, are doing okay, doing better over there in the Dubai and in the UAE. I'm sorry, it's my sister. She's confused. She's confused about what's happening. What if mag-concert kasi sa lahat ng mga sa lahat ng mga kakaprating lang here. Thank you kuya. Thank you kuys. God bless. Thank you kuy.
Saan kayo nag-ano? Kampay lang yun.
Opo, nag-aantay na po kami ng sundo. Thank you po.
Okay, huwag po kayong mag-alala dahil magkakaroon ng concert next year, for next year. Magkakaroon po ako ng concert for next year and I'm so excited. Nandito ko ngayon sa likod ng Wish Bus. So, sorry guys kasi medyo madilim. And to everyone who's watching right now, thank you. Thank you so much. Solo. It's gonna be a solo concert. It's gonna be a solo concert. And it's gonna be it's worth the wait. It's worth the wait, I promise you. Lahat ng mga nangyari sa akin for the past 20 plus years. It's gonna be a blast. It's gonna be part of the concert. Medyo scary pasensya na. Wala kasi kaming ilaw dito. Pasensya na po. Nagbayad naman kami ng Meralco. And right now we're still working on the concept, the guests. How do I wait, ayan. Yay! Pag ba nag-concert ako, guys, manonood kayo. I really appreciate you guys coming. Yeah. Chasing the Light. I love that song as well. Again, next year, may hinahandang concert. In all, Julian in all eras. Yes! In all eras. Oo, kasi medyo marami-rami na rin nga na pagdaanan. You know, like sa life, sa work. Wala ba tong mas maliwanag na na screen? You have arrived. Google Maps. Para mas maliwanag yung screen. Kinabahan ako, kala ko horror. Sorry guys, walang ilaw. Pasensya na kayo. Yan. Ayan, perfect. Ayan, may konti ng ilaw. Nakita nyo na ako. Okay. Nakita nyo na ako, guys. Ay, sorry. If you guys have questions sa akin, you can ask me anything. I still have time before I go inside the bus. Sa lahat ng mga may birthday ngayon, happy birthday sa inyo. Ay, ba't may hawi yung mukha? Sorry, Lord. Keep safe sa inyo, especially right now. Ang lakas ng ulan at sa lahat ng mga mga nandito ngayon sa labas, mag-iingat kayo. Shape of My Heart version. Oh, recently nag-concert. Ay, hindi pala. O tama, Shape of My Heart is Backstreet, diba? Recently nag-concert sila eh. Yeah, sure, why not? If you have any requests for the covers, for the songs, just let me know. Where ka po magko-concert? It's gonna be in a bigger venue. That's all I can say right now. Clarita! Risk It All cover. Ang dami may gusto mag-cover songs ah. Wow, ngayon na lang ako ulit nag-live, I swear. Buenas noches, amigos, mi amigas. Oh, that's me! Oh, they're playing my song! That's me, I think that's me. They're playing my previous song. Yeah, keep streaming my songs, guys. Gusto ko kasi makarelate kayo sa mga songs. That's why I still keep on writing songs, and hopefully you'll like them. Planning to go kaso umulan. It's okay, it's understandable. Ano naman to, magkakaroon naman to ng posting at ng videos then. So yeah, right now, kaya ako nasa dilim. Again, sa lahat ng mga kakapasok pa lang, dito po ako sa likod ng Wish Bus because I will be promoting my latest song. Shout out Idol from Doha, Qatar. Hello po sa inyo, just chill and smile. Hello, ingat po kayo dyan. To all our dear friends in the UAE area. I hope that things are better there. May plan ka ba ilagay yung The One I Love song mo sa music platform? Of course, why not? I mean, anything is possible. I'm just really, focus on my music and basta sa kahit ano naman ay pwedeng mangyari. I'm just very open to anything right now. Open ako sa kahit anong possibilities. Collaborations, opportunities. I'm just very grateful. I'm just very happy how things are going right now. Ayan, babaguhin ang mundo. Thank you for streaming my songs. Sana mag-official light stick. That's one of my wishes as well. Magkaroon ng official light stick. Someone gave me a light stick but hindi pa siya binibenta or hindi pa siya out as a merch. But if ever, that would be cool. Ayan, stream saglit lang. Saglit lang. Again, guys, thank you. Nandito ko ngayon sa likod ng Wish Bus. So come and see me if you guys are around the area or if malapit lang kayo dito. Kung nandito kayo kumakain kayo somewhere. I mean, I'm not forcing you guys to go, but yeah. If you don't have anything to do, come visit me. Yeah, if you have any questions, may season 2 ba ang MKay, ang Maria Clara at Ibarra? Right now, parang wala pa naman ako nababalitaan. But if ever, yeah, I mean, I'm so open to anything. I'm so open to working with anyone. And kung merong story, kung merong story na na idadagdag for Maria Clara at Ibarra. I mean kasi hanggang doon lang talaga yung naging story ni Maria Clara eh. So it's really up to the story and the script kung magkakaroon man, but if ever I'm open to working with anyone. And I'm excited kasi maraming mga bagong shows ng GMA ngayon. And soap series. Parang so far wala pa ulit. But yeah. Then again, I'm just very happy. Happy ako ngayon. Nag-release ako ng mga bagong songs ngayon. I'm an independent artist now. As much as I can, I try to explore dahil this is all new to me. Medyo bago tong ground na ito para sa akin. And I'm still learning, you know, like sa art of producing and doing everything on my own. Okay. Isang baby you are. Of course. Yes. I will be posting more often now dito sa TikTok ng mga kanta ko. So kung may mga requests kayo, pwede nyo akong i-mention or i-tag. For my 18th birthday, STFU, Sethi, hi, happy 18th birthday sa'yo. You're a lady now. May live po mamaya. What do you mean live? I'm live. Concert na ulit. Yes. Yes, a concert for next year. Yeah. We have more time to prepare. We are planning for next year. It's gonna be in a bigger venue. I'm so excited. First time ko mag-concert na nasa bigger venue. That's all I can say right now. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin. Basta pinaplano pa siya. And please pray with me. Pray for me and pray with me na sana matuloy. Yeah. I will keep you guys posted. I will be updating you. More cover songs, Pa Julie. Miss watching your covers. Yes. More. Ngayon, I really enjoy revisiting my old songs and making new ones as well. Ready na kami sa concert. Yay! Thank you! Thank you guys. Ako din, excited din ako. Nandito lang po ako ngayon sa likod ng Wish Bus. I will be out in a minute. So, ticket selling? Wala pa man din! But yeah, looking forward, yes. So, yeah. Ba't nandilim? Kasi nandito po ako ngayon sa labas eh. Wala po akong kasing ilaw ngayon. If I open the light, makikita ata ako ng ating mga friends sa labas. So, I'm using the car light right now. gonna drink some water. Kantahin mo ulit yung Never Had You, please. Yes, I will. I will be posting more videos of me singing my songs. So, yeah, actually, ang goal ko talaga is to keep on singing my original songs, my songs, even the old ones talaga. Kasi, it's also it's also a part of me na talagang like sana kinanta ko na to before or mga nakakanta ko madalas, pero since hindi ko nga talaga siya nakakanta madalas, I want my songs to be part of your everyday lives as well. At saka kapag may mga hugot kayo, pag may mga pinagdadaanan kayo, whether you're happy or you're sad or talagang heartbroken, that's why nandito pa rin naman ako. Nandito pa yung mga songs ko para sa inyo. Hindi ko kayo i-ghost, okay? More song covers, yes. More cover, wag mo kami i-ghost. I'm not that type. Yung I'll Be There song namin siya ng friends ko. Wow, thank you. Thank you so much. Ooh, I'm a cowboy. LSS, I'll Be There. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. And by the way, hindi ko lang din syempre pag sasabihin na i-stream nyo yung mga old songs ko. But kasi right now, may bago din akong song. That's why I'm here outside. I'm here, nandito po ako ngayon sa likod ng Wish Bus to promote my latest song. It's called Saglit Lang. Saglit lang kasi basta saglit lang. Until what time ka dyan? Gusto mo ba, intayin kita dito sa labas? Wow! Wait. I just saw a comment. Hindi ko na makita yung comment. On repeat sa akin, songs mo to me. Thank you so much. Sa lahat ng mga may birthday, happy birthday sa inyo. Again, thank you guys so much. I think kailangan ko nang mag-standby. I have to go. I have to prepare. I'll be out in a minute. So, yeah, I just thank you so much. And wag kayong mag-alala kasi magla-live pa rin naman ako in the next days to come. Siguro dadalasan ko mag-live kasi hindi ako masyadong ma-online talaga eh. But I enjoy talking to you guys kahit na ako lang yung nagsasalita. Maybe sa mga next live ko, mag-accept ako ng co-host or ng ating mga friends. Sinisipon na ako kasi alamig. Balik ka Zamboanga, please. Yes, of course. Babalik ako. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Oh! Ate Jody. go to Pampanga, please. Oh yes, I miss Pampanga. I miss our dear friends in Pampanga. I miss the food. I miss the coffee, the people. Okay. Again, maraming salamat sa inyo guys. I'm sorry but I have to go. Napastand-by na po ako sa likod. And I appreciate it. If you guys are around the area, nandito po ako ngayon sa Araneta Center. Nasa Wish Bus po ako. I will be singing my latest song. So sana ay magkita-kita tayo. Concert? Yes, definitely. Next year. It's gonna be in a bigger venue. Hindi, yun lang ang pwede kong sabihin details right now. Ang dilim, no? Ang dilim. Thank you guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Dadalasan ako mag-live. Thank you. I love you all. I love you. Thank you so much. I will be posting more covers and more of my songs. Thank you guys. I love you all. I have to go. And be safe. Ingat kayo sa lahat ng mga nasa labas. Ingat kayo pa uwi. Sa lahat ng mga inuulan, mag-vitamins kayo. Bawal magkasakit. And please take care because I care. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Again, hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-stop at i-off to. Paano ba to? Ayan, and now. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you. Stream my latest song. Saglit lang. I love you guys. Thank you. Mwah. Bye.